Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have another Audi A6 S-Line Lemans. So quite rare this one, it's the Saloon instead of the Estate. And it's in Stratos blue, which is quite a rare colour for one of these. I think it's probably only the second one we've had in this colour. So it's got matching Michelin tyres all round. It's just been serviced. It's got a full black leather and a really clean car for the age and mileage. Got a full-size spare wheel as well. It's got parking sensors. As with all our cars, we'll put the full spec and history on the advert. It's got the carpet with the load cover as well, so there's a plastic cover and then the original carpet underneath. So it's got both keys. Be sold with 12 months MOT and a warranty as well. We can offer part exchange. Inside's nice and clean. There'll be 100 photos on the website as well, so if you feel there's any area that you want to look at or you've missed, or we've missed, sorry, give us a ring. Just done 98,672 now. It's the 3-litre version as well, so it's a chain-driven engine. There's no cam belt or anything to change. As you can see, hopefully for the age and mileage, I think it's a very clean car. As with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. So if you'd like to arrange a test drive or a viewing, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.